It's that magical time of the month, salary day. You know, when you briefly feel like Ambani, but 2 weeks later, you're scrounging for coins to buy Maggie. Been there? Same. But worry not, besties. Today we are talking about salary day rituals, the budgeting tips you absolutely cannot ignore. Let's turn that paycheck into power, shall we? Step 1. Bask in the glory of your hard earned money. Screenshot that salary credited message and celebrate. But don't get too comfy. It's time to get to work. First things first. Let's slice up that paycheck like a pizza. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, chai, and Wi Fi, the essentials. 30% for wants, your weekend splurge at Zara or that overpriced coffee. And finally, 20% for savings and investments. That's right, we are prioritizing future you because she deserves it. Next up, automation is your BFF. Before you even think of spending, set up an automatic transfer for your savings. Whether it's a fixed deposit or a mutual fund or that golden emergency fund. Treat it like a non negotiable bill. Out of sight, out of your spend. Now let's talk about tracking. No, I'm not asking you to create a spreadsheet that looks like NASA's budget. Just a simple app to track your spending. You'll be shocked to find out how much you've been dropping on delivery fees and impulse buys. Guilty as charged. This one's my favorite ritual. Pay yourself first. No, I'm not saying go buy an iPhone. This means allocating money for your growth, books, courses, or even a side hustle fund. Investing in yourself is the ultimate glow up. Budgeting doesn't mean canceling all the fun. Set aside a fun fund. Whether it's movie nights, eating outside, or that spa day, plan it out. Guilt free indulgence is what we are aiming for here. Lastly, make it a ritual to review your budget monthly. Did you stick to it? Overspend on something? No judgment. Adjust and move forward. Budgeting is like skincare consistent effort, glowing results. And there you have it, salary day rituals to keep your wallet happy and your future secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your BFFs, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial glowing tips. Now go slay your budget. Finance